Saan sila? Ayan. First field service ministry namin dito sa Makati.
Video? Nakataka ba dito?
Yup. Ano?
Where's your amo? Where's your amo? Ha? Where's your amo? Puppy sa'yo. Wow, ideas.
Gumagawa na yan.
Ito na. Wow.
Sinong kasama mo? Uy, girlfriend, ang laki-laki mo, bebe ko.
Ayaw niya na. Sabi niya, good. 1K ko ah. Pangkape. Hi. Mga pag-hi, sweetie.
Ay, baka maano. Ito galit.
Ay, ito niya.
Eh, the chubby one. The chubby.
Nakakatawa.
Pagkain ito ah.
We're bringing the Hotel Chinepan. So here we are at a supermarket here in Macau. So let's see how much is there. You can see now. It's too expensive. I'm looking for that's too expensive. Your PMOP is like something like 100. Oh, this is tteokbokki.
Wow.
Oo nga.
Kaso 27.
Pero mura na yan. Kasi bibili ka ng ano. Let's check pa din. Yung? Dito? Di ko pa nakikita. Doon sa ref. Woo! eh.
Sorry.
Lolo.
Lang ako sa sobrang laki.
Oo, kasi nagulat din ako. Sabi ko kasi pare-pare.
Salamat ako. Hindi ako nakapanig.
Hindi, sabi ko gusto nila ng malamig.
Kaya,
Hindi ko sana siya bilhan kasi ayaw ng sugar. Sabi
walang
ko,
sugar na.
wala.
Avocado.
Si Apuan mango. Mango. Ayaw niya ng sugar. Asa pa ba?
May inaabot ka.
Pabango?
Kasi dumadami yung pimples ko. Lalo. Ay, ganun.
Parehas? Ano? Gusto mo ba yung lasa?
Kasi yung sugar.
Yan kasi yung gusto ko din.
Habang
Mabango
may
siya?
pantaw. May ano siguro.
May one siya, lotus.
Lotus.
May
Lotus.
lotus.
Pimples pala isa. Wow.
Ganda. Dito tayo, labo. Tanggalin mo lang yung bottle na to.
Galing, no?
Ang ganda.
Saan ko na sa vlog ko?
Maganda.
This is DCR. Joke ko no. Ganda. Audi check.
Miss ko yung coke na iniwan ko.
Ha?
Miss ko yung
Ano ba iniwan mo?
Eh, go din. Para kang
Wait lang. Satisfying, terrifying. Don't you dare look at me that way. Now we're working, and I see a coffee shop here. It's like very hidden. It's like a hidden gem. The name of a cafe is O'Clock Cafe. It was a good cafe, I think. We'll go there mga like afternoon or evening probably. Maybe later. And here we are. Here's my husband. He's so tired but he's hungry. Ano nang nangyari sa buhay natin that day? The day. Alam mo? Sa punta. Ganun rin yan eh. Babatadaan pa tayo sa highway. Oh. Ito library.
ano to?
Library.
Library.
Ano siya is, oo.
Bakit hindi natin
There's the chicks in the bay. Oh, cafe again. Cafe. Oo nga eh. Ito ang mga how to push. Here's how to push. Ganon, mag-push.
Yun, may instruction. Wala eh. Pag sinabi kasing push, pull lang ginagawa ng tao.
Ano, paano yung push?
Pag sinabing push, pool yung ginagawa.
Oo.
Sinabi yung pool, push naman ginagawa. Ano?
The library. I'm ordering this double cheese. And they were making it, you know. So, here it is. Ate, ay, ni hao. I'll be back. Okay, bye. Daddy, let's go. Wow.
哎，我们要小辣是吗？要一点辣椒不？不要辣椒不好吃。
Po pa lang ako eh.
Ako pala. Hindi ba balikan ko na lang sabi ko eh. Try
Di ba try na lang kita dyan?
Okay. Ikaw na magkuha ng ano ko. No.
Bayad na ba yan?
Bayaran ko na. Dito ka na lang. Yeah. My husband back. Hindi, apo ka na. And here we are again. So I will show you. As a crocheter, I saw this shop. Look. Ni hao. Look, this is so satisfying to see. They have a little cute. Oh my gosh. And also this bouquet. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at, oh my gosh. This is so heart melting. I love it. I wish I could somehow supply them with this. Look with this. So cute. This is so cute. I do love here because, you know, as you can see, there's a lot of foods here. And yeah, I was looking for something. And here you are. I saw it already. This is what I'm looking for. Hey, tea. It's like, hey, tea. So there they have, of course, 3D something moving. We don't have time. Oh wait. I'm looking for Thai milk tea. Where is Thai milk tea? Milk tea, Thai milk tea. Whoa. It's so cute. Saan ka na? Dito sa canteen. Abay, parang timang. Ito na yung hinahanap ko. Another cafe, guys. This is Cafe Eskimo. It's a good cafe. Of course. The cafe is so cool.
35. Hindi pa kasama yung ano.
Oh.
Yung sa McDo. Ganun na yun ah.
McDo kasi yun eh.
McDo na.
Wait lang. Oh, cute! Hello! Hi! Cute! The cat is sleeping behind. Another cafe. Another boodle, another cafe. And this one is a club. Oh my. Look. Oh my. It's smoking. You. So so cute. So excited. Ang daming tao. Oh, may ano pa oh. Ano ba tawag doon? Kimono? Kimono pa. Partida, hindi. Siguro dahil ito ay tourista talaga.
Walang paninindigan sa paniniwala.
Oo. Hindi naman talaga sila ano.
Parang mas maganda kung nag-McDo na lang ako. Kasi yun, meron ng drinks na kasama.
And there is this cool cafe. It's Porta de Arte. Porta de Arte? It's so cute. Look at this place. Look at it. So cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. And the coffee is so cute and so pricey. There's a rabbit and there's dogs inside. There's a Pomeranian. Hi. Wait, this is a grooming? Oh, I thought it was a coffee shop itself. Wow. There's a Pomeranian there. So cute. Isog. So cute. There's a lot of coffee shop here, and there's one who is really low, so very cute. They have a very cute atmosphere at the inside, and you can see there's a lot of pastries.
Всем травм. У них белый цвет принят. На похороны все одеваются.
Wow, this is so
跟住我啲鼻又擺啦。
And there's my husband. Tayo dito. There's a new owner. Hi, how much is your I think that one. How much is it? Ba't masungit po kayo? Ma'am? Hello? Hi. Hello po? Ate. Ate, ba't natutulog na po kayo? Bibili po kami. Ate. Hello. Sungit naman natin yung pera. Sino tayo dyan? Meow, 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 meow. May pusa rin. May pusa rin, oo.
Hindi nga. Meron?
Ay, hi! Is that your baby? Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Ano?
Pwede siya sa cinnamon, pwede siya sa vanilla, pwede siya sa muscal.
Ano flavor niya? Nati.
Terminal. Ha? Ganda ng mga Pinoy. Mainland China na.
So, we are going home. Here we are. This is going to Amaral. I call it Amaral because, I don't know, maybe the structure or something. I don't know. But they call this place Amaral. So, here's my husband and Kuya Charles. They're taking us to the airport. They're going home, sadly.